I love what I'm seeing, guys. We're here at 3110 Camino Del Rio South in San Diego, California. This is Centerpoint. That's the name of the building, and we have a US elevator. That's Amtech. One elevator in this building. That's what X's typically mean on maps. Oh, what the heck? What are you doing? What the frick is this thing doing? Go to 3. Yep, this definitely is a US elevator. It's got Amtech fixtures though. Doesn't matter anyway, it's just gonna close. So does the door close button work? There's really no way to tell, considering the door just closes immediately. Oh, if that works now. Now you decide to work. Such a nice elevator. There's your stop switch. Not gonna pull it though, just wanted to feel it. That'll be it.